Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use GIF in your Instagram story. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the Instagram application, and after you open the Instagram, sometimes you will be generated into the home section. In this home section, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you found this story section. In this story section, you just need to find out the pictures that you want to add into your story just by click this part, and after that exploring the photo that you want to add, for example this. And now you can also adjusting this to fulfilling all of the frame by pinch with two of your finger together right there. So now the tips how to use GIF on this story. It's so simple. You just need to go into this features here and click this, and now you have an access to explore every features that provided by Instagram. But then we want to add a GIF, you just need to go click this GIF. In this GIF search button, you just need to type what GIF that you want to add, for example couple. And now you just need to find out which GIF that you want to add into your story. Let's do this. Adjusting the size with two of your finger together, and after you're done with the editing, now this story is ready to upload into your Instagram by click this. So that's all. That's the way how to add or use GIF on your Instagram story. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.